Ayan mga napamili namin guys from Kmart. Daming magagandang mga bagay-bagay sa Kmart guys. What's wrong? What's wrong? Tingnan niyo ang kanyang ngipin. Ay, shit, ang ngipin. Hindi ko siya masyadong type guys kasi it looks very fake to me. Pero gusto ni Daddy Mike, lagay din niya sa sa bathroom. So there you go. Like that na. Like. Go, Daddy. Go for Daddy. Where's Paris going?
For the school.
Right on the road.
Baby, hold Mama's hand. Which school are you going to? What school is that?
Marina School.
Yeah. Paris is going to her first ballerina class. Nak, give me sample, Nak, ba? Show me how you do the ballerina. Wow. Wow. Good job. Are you excited?
Yeah.
So, malapit lang to siya, guys. Yun yung end of our road. Dito yung kanilang class for ballerina. First time ni Ate Paris. Go with Daddy. Go. First time ni Ate Paris na pumunta doon. So, last week, in-enroll siya ni Daddy Mike for today. Today, Saturday pala. So, ito yung malapit na supermarket sa amin. Oh, may bakery pala sila dito. Ayan. So, ayan, kahit na maliit sa kanya, gusto niyang suotin. So, we'll see kung ano yung gagawin nila for the first time. Tingnan nyo, may ibang mga bata na rin, diba? Na naka-attire na. There. Oh, there's the girl. There.
Where is it? How do you get up?
Yeah. Dance Academy. Oh, okay. Kami lang yung pumasok ni Ate Paris, guys. Kasi, tingnan nyo, may hagdanan pala. Hindi makakapasok si Daddy siya kasi, baby Celine. Okay. Yeah, that's okay. We'll go. Go.
I can go there next
Go.
time.
So, they're finished already. So, you're next because you're 9:30.
I'm not ready.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to finish.
Yeah, go. Keep going.
You have to go back.
Yeah. Hold Mama. So excited to do. Exchange muna kami ni Daddy Mike, guys. Hindi ako makakapag-vlog doon kasi private exchange muna kami si Daddy Mike and si Ate Paris dancing. Just go, go. You turn to get there, you turn right, because it's only right anyways, and then first left. Hi! Where did you go, my big girl? Where did you go? Ate Paris is dancing. Ate Paris is dancing. She's having fun. Soon, you will join Ate Paris, okay? Okay? Wow, si Daddy yung nasa taas, guys. Nandito ako ngayon sa Woolies. I'll get something for Celine. Laruan niya ba? Hawak-hawakan niya. Which one do you like better, my love? The owl or the zebra? Which one? Oh, the zebra? Like that one? Wow.
A few moments later.
Try.
How was it?
Yes.
Good. Did you enjoy? Would you like to go back? Yes? Show me what you learned, Beth. Show me what you learned. Huh?
I'm finished with the preschool. Where's the preschool?
Humingi na ng $2 dito. Babe, we'll see if you know how to use it. Do you know how to play?
Yeah, I have to get around to try to come out from here.
Okay.
Like how that, oh yeah, there's two.
I think here na ko.
Here.
No. Broken naman siguro ni Nak. Uy. Yeah, what's yan? See if that works. I hope we don't lose our $2. Did you put it in? Like this. Okay, put it there. Put it there. Just leave it. And then turn around. Okay, push. And nice. Ah, there you go. Push. You have to push it. Enough. Take your hands out. Push. Okay. What did you get?
A Barbie toy.
Is that Barbie?
Yeah, Barbie.
Oh, wow. You know open?
Yeah, that's
And this one here, tingnan nyo. Eh, may laruan na oh. Dalawa yung binili ko guys. That one. And this one. Para may choices siya. Yes? Yes? There's nothing in there, baby. Of course. Where's Daddy? Okay, do you wanna open?
that's in that side.
Open?
Yeah, open. It's my favorite toy.
I think it's a... What do you think it is?
Cycling and the stickers. I'm trying to crack it.
There you go. Ito, bite. Alam niyo bang, dahil nga diba, very fast yan siya. Yesterday ba yun? Okay, kinakagat niya ang aking dili, guys. Ah! Oh, what's wrong? Tingnan niyo ang kanyang ngipin. Ay, dyan, ang ngipin. Shut ka. Which one would you like? This one? Or this one? This one? Oh, no. Here we go. Uy! Mangisog di ay. Mangisog di ah.
Like her toy.
Show me your tattoo, nak, be. Ballerina tattoo.
That's not tattoo.
Bigyan sila ng ganyan, oh.
That's not tattoo.
What is it?
What's tattoo?
Hmm?
What's tattoo?
What's that one? It's stamp.
Step.
Stamp.
I said that already.
I'm having ham, cheese, and tomato sandwich.
I got both.
Oh, both hands.
You're the best dad, son.
Lucky girl.
What's the both? Thank you.
Welcome.
It's not
What's
that
this
great.
one? Wow. That's a nice toy, isn't it?
I'll go in there. Stay here.
Some pistachios.
Whoa. Hey. Wait.
Daddy's having some pie.
Have you been in there? It's good.
No, not in there.
Huh?
Not inside. Lini! Ate, oh.
Okay, that's cracked.
You bit my finger. Did you make friends, huh?
Yeah?
Daddy said someone cuddled you.
The girl was like
Oh, yeah?
in my pink dress.
Is she smiling at you? Is she smiling at you? Show me how. And what were you doing back?
They're doing like this, Papa?
You're
Yeah.
dancing like a swan.
Yeah, like that. Oh, wow. Like that, see? Very good. Ang dami nila, guys. Taas. Ay, do. Celine, do you want to be a ballerina as well? Oh, look at her. Okay. Okay, we'll keep moving.
What?
Back in the car.
A new big one.
Hey! Ayan o. Pupunta kami ngayon ng Kmart guys kasi may kailangan kaming bilhin for the house. Sabi ko kay Daddy Mike na dito lang sa sasakyan. And I'll just go run kasi yung kailangan ko lang talaga is yung ano, kids hangers. Yung mga damit nila hindi ko pa nahang because of ano, hindi ako niyan. Napasok ko sila kasi may bibilihin daw si Daddy Mike. Anyways, I'll see you there. Hold on properly. Ayan mga napamili namin guys from Kmart. Daming magagandang ano, mga bagay-bagay sa Kmart guys.
Linda!
Tulog ang ating baby Celine. Uy, it's too loud. Ay, Daddy Mike nag-toilet din guys. Hinihintay lang namin dito. Stop. No more. No more money. Finish na. Sa isang ano din to siya guys, shops dito malapit sa amin. Like it's 5 minutes. 5 minutes drive. We have to wait for Daddy anak. Daddy went to the toilet. See? Maliit lang siya na ano, parang shopping center but it's got everything that you need. I-haul ko to mamaya guys pagdating namin sa bahay.
A few moments later.
We're home guys. Galing sa shops at saka sa ballerina class ni Ate Paris.
And look what the teacher did.
What is that?
Snap.
Snap? Is that how you call it? So, pumunta kami ng Kmart para bumili ng kung anik-anik para dito sa bahay. Where did we go?
To the Raina school.
No, like
Kmart.
Kmart.
And we read that we buy this before.
Yeah, so I'll just quickly show you guys what we bought. Pasensyahan nyo na guys ha, kung ang quality ay hindi masyadong maganda kasi
It's for me, but this one I just got sticker. Wow! Ang tayo ba yun?
kasi phone yung gamit ko ngayon.
This looks really cool.
Ang dami ko na kasing videos doon sa ating memory card na hindi ko pa na-transfer sa phone guys. Kaya it's memory card full. Anyways, bought this one. First one.
And we definitely buy
Para sa ating
some.
table. Ipakita namin sa inyo mamaya kung paano namin yan.
And this one is stuff
What's that?
hanger.
Hangers. That's kids hangers from Kmart. Very cheap. $250 lang ata. This one's $250. We bought 3. And then ito siya. Binili ko to siya para ilagay sa ilalim ng plant. Careful ate. You might drop it. Ilagay sa ilalim ng plant kasi you know our plant yung binili ko. Pag ang tawag dito, inanuhan ko siya ng tubig. Water ba? When I water it, yung tubig ay pumupunta sa ilalim. So, walay gasalod sa ilalim. Kapoy yung Tagalog kasi. Kaya, yun. So, kailangan kong bumili nito para ito yung sasalo ng tubig. And then, what else did we get na? Ito. So, this one, basket for the washing. Ayan. Super nice. Sobrang laki niya, guys. So, and the next one is this one. Careful, ate, ha? This one is another basket. Ito yung lalagyan ko nung tawag ito nung plant natin. Yung isa kasi medyo naliliitan ako guys. Nakikita pa rin yung plastic niya sa ibabaw. So gusto kong palitan ito. Kasi mas malaki ito siya. And then that one, I'll just use it for a smaller plant. So hindi siya nasayang. Next one, another basket. Diba? Na-notice niyo ba guys na we're very into this look sa house na ite? Careful ate! Ito, lagyan ng kung anik-anik guys sa kwarto. Dapat sana, ito yung binili ko para ilagay sa hallway. Lagyan ng key and everything. But then, I saw this one
Guys, we just
after
saw
buying this. So,
guys.
Okay, go Ate. Your turn.
And this is really cool. I will show you what's in here. Okay?
What is it?
I'll show you this one in here.
Okay. Don't take it out. It's a nappy bags. You don't have to take it out, my love. So nakita ko to siya, guys, and I like. No, don't take it off, please. Because it will go everywhere, anak. It will be really messy. I like this shape better. Kasi ano, oval siya. Mas maganda siyang tingnan doon
And
sa
I
oval.
really got this squishy.
Ayan. I use that one. Oh, that's very cool, honey. Bought this one from Kmart for Celine. So when she plays, kasi umuupo na siya, diba? So she can play with this one. What else? Oh, ito. Nagustuhan ni Daddy Mike. Hindi ko siya masyadong type, guys, kasi it looks very fake to me. Pero gusto ni Daddy Mike, lagay din niya sa, ano, sa bathroom. So there you go. And then, what else did we get, no? Get some undies for Paris. Yeah, underwears. Ayan.
Is this for the beach?
No, it's for you for at home. This one, ice cube tray. Yeah, ice cube tray. And then, another one, 2 felt drawer organizers. So, dito ko ilalagay yung, ano, yung undies ni Paris, yung socks. Pag nasa, ano na, nasa drawer. What else did we get now? What's that? Oh, I bought this one while in Kmart. I got this for $8. And this one, stick-on type.
And some
Marami na akong mapag...
and I got a squishy.
What is that? Squishy. I think, oh yeah, meron pag isa yung, yung doormat doon sa ano. Hala, what happened now? Oh no. Hala. This water is like, I can't play with that one anymore. See? The water is leaking. Push it out real hard, no? So I'm just gonna show you the doormat doon sa ano. Must be. Throw that away, baby.
It's parties.
See?
Mommy, I really want to play with that.
Yeah, I know what we gotta do now.
Wow.
Careful, babe. Have to get another one when we get money, okay?
The squishy.
You can't, anak. You can't play with this one anymore. See, there's a hole. And there's water leaking. Have to throw that away now. Ayan. So,
Give it to me.
get stuff ready
I
now to
want to
eat.
try.
We'll get food to eat.
Ma, I want to try mine.
Okay.
No, I want to get a bowl first.
Which bowl?
A few moments later.
We're home again, people. Hindi na kami nakapag-vlog doon, guys, kasi isang ikutan lang kami. We went there, pick up the stuff, kasi itong dalawa ay tulog sa sasakyan. So, yeah, it was very easy. Super easy. Where's the thing, Bob? Where's the pillow? And stuff.
The pink ones.
And then, on our way back home, nag-stop ako para pick upin to siya, guys. So, I got these from Facebook Marketplace. Duna. So, hindi na sana kami magduduna, guys, kasi alam niyo naman na very hot dito, diba? But, you know, it's not bad. I got this one. Basically new, kasi sa spare room lang daw nila nilalagay. Hindi nila nagamit. I got this one, the queen size, for $20. So, I said, oh, it's not bad. Mas maganda kasi din tingnan kapag merong duna yung, ano, yung bed. Eh, hindi siya masyadong, ano ba, flat tingnan. And then, different one, different place. Pinick up ko rin to siya. So, it's a display daw sa, ano, bahay na binibenta nila. So, again, you know, technically, brand new, super ganda. Ito yung plano kong ilagay dyan. So, ano, kasama yung mga unan. And alam nyo ba, pag binili to sila, brand new, really, really expensive, guys. But this one, I got this for $20 only. See? See? Maganda siya tingnan para contrast ba? Kasi yung mga pillows natin sheets are white. So, we've got, say, gray, pink, and that. And this one here, yan yung plano kong ilagay dyan. But I'm trying to figure out kung paano ko yan siya lalagay na hindi delikado ba. Gusto ko strong na strong talaga yung ano, baka mahulog habang nagtutulog na ko. And then, I don't know if napakita ko to sa inyo last time. So here, kasi nga yung ating bed head ay pa-curve. Hindi siya mag-focus. Pa-curve siya. So may space dyan. Hindi namin siya ma-push talaga dito sa gilid. Sa temporarily, nilagay ko yung ano, pillow dyan. But, I bought something from Kmart before. Hindi ko pa napakita sa inyo. Na parang hotdog siya ba. Pero I realized ngayon na medyo maliit lang yata yung nabili ko. I think kulang siya medyo. Maybe dalawa siguro. Isa or dalawa. Show it to you. Okay, I think this one. So, sabi ni Daddy Mike, we'll try to finish these boxes tonight. Ito, mga hotdog. Tingnan niyo ang ating CELINE, oh. Very relaxed lang with Dada, oh. And they're watching. Very dark na outside. It's going to rain. May storm yata. So, ayan. Lalagay ko dito. I think it's perfect. Yes. It's perfect. Kung kulang lang, kailangan kong bumalik doon. Magbili ng maybe 2 more. Yan sa side. Yeah, I think kulang ng dalawa. Ewan ko bakit dalawa lang yung binili ko. Ayan. Para safe box. Baka si CELINE dyan. Matagak. Okay. Now, I just have to buy Duna cover. So, last time, bibili sana si Daddy Mike. Sabi ko na, we only need flat sheets kasi wala naman tayong Duna. Ayaw kong mag-Duna kasi sobrang init. But, yeah, decided na mag-Duna kami. So, but have a look in Facebook Marketplace, guys. Kasi may mga brand new naman na, cheaper than the shop. So, nalagyan ko na ng cover yung ating Duna, guys, na binili kanina. So, ayan. Ito yung galing sa Melbourne. Nakita ko kasi sa box. Tignan nyo ang box, oh. So, yan na lang yung naiwan. Hindi ko pakita yung dun sa kwarto kasi sobrang messy pa. But, yeah. We will definitely do a tour, like house tour, like full house tour, guys, pag natapos kami dito. And now, Daddy is cooking dinner. You can see. Ayan, paaso-aso. Ang ating baby CELINE ay having a nap. And this one is doing it. Yeah? Show me, what was Isabella's song? What was that?
Welcome to the baby manga.
No, hey, tell that one.
Power girl and the grapes. He told me the power girl and the grapes.
And say Mariana's on its way. Ayan na, guys. So, see? Chinench code ng ganyan. Sa Kmart namin ito binili kanina. Tinatawag nila ito na tulip na style. At tapos, hindi ko alam kung kita. So, ayan. Yung aking binili para magsalod sa tubig, guys. So, last time, buang-buang ko. I put water. And then, it went to the floor. Daddy could hear you. Daddy's got the thing on.
It's the one need additional one on this churches.
I don't ask for the workers.
Churches.
Chip, 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 and you didn't stop.
Die. Die. Die.
Inano niya ang kanyang daddy, guys, na nagluluto.
Are you dancing? Like this. So you're gonna go.
Like that na. Like, Daddy's cooking pasta. Yes. Very good dancing, honey. So. Ito din pala yung binili ko na basket kanina. Ayan. So, ito yung sinasabi ko, guys. Lagyan lang ng mga keys, car keys, yung garage key, and that. Para alam namin kung saan siya kukunin. Diba? So, yeah. Hopefully, we can finish this one tonight. Mga damit ko ng mga kiddos. Ito akin. Tapos yan, ng mga kids. Ito siya ay babalik namin sa garage. Doon ko muna ilalagay kasi ito yung mga boxes ng aking bags. Okay, this one is from the Louis Vuitton one.
And I was starting to soak.
You're starting to soak.
Yeah, I was being naughty to Daddy, but I was very happy. Like, see?
See, that is happy now because she sat down there and we're going to eat dinner, okay? Do you want to say thank you to Daddy for the dinner?
Thank you.
Here's what we're having for tonight. Yum, yum, yummy.
Bye. I'll try to find and put some in there in the poolside and the top.
Close the door, mommy. It's the screen door.
That's
Getting there, guys. Tingnan niyo yung mga box dito. Ayan. Si Daddy Mike ang ang gumawa. Ayan. So, ito yung mga naiwan dito.
and look at this.
Nag-shower kasi kami na Ate Paris kaysa yung basang-basa pa ang buhok niya.
Look at
And
look at
ito
this.
yung mga shoes
I want to
ni
show you something
ng mga
so
kids
cool.
at akin.
I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna do something.
That's what I can see. I could hear Celine. And here, it's my clothes. No, don't open up because Daddy's doing the vacuum. Close it. Ate Paris. Ayan, mom clothes. Sa akin.
I can't vacuum yet.
Oh, it's not charged yet? So yeah, yan, gagawin pa ang mga ano ko na lang to. Kailangan lang i-organize. Yun lang naman yung dapat gawin talaga dito. Ito yung nabili ko kanina sa Kmart. Ito ko lalagay yung underwears ni Ate Paris. Tsaka yung kanyang socks. Diyan para organize na organize. Ito siya ay bababa. Yung ilalagay dito is yung table ni Daddy Mike. Pag siya, working from home siya. Yes, ate. Come na, say good night na because it's very late na. We're going to bed now. Thank you for watching today's video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good and good.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
And you can get Paris toys, Haran toys, or 300 toys squishes you, and you can have anything you want.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Mwah.